Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting started on a charcoal grill out here, a 40 by 20. Cutting it out of 3/16 plate. It's a little different than the charcoal grills in the past. I changed a couple things. It makes it better, more efficient. Just a matter of getting it all cut out now. You can't see my back glass on that truck right there, but the windshield's all busted out. I've got to go get it changed. But I got everything cut out right here. That'll be the side door. So come over here, I'm getting the bottom stand cut out now. I just swapped blades recently on the saw, so it's cutting really nice right now. I don't remember the brand name on those blades, but I'm getting them from Harbor Freight. I can't remember what the brand name is on them, but they're really nice blades. They seem to be about $15, maybe $20 cheaper than the other ones. They're really nice blades. I cut with that other one for a long time, and it was still cutting. I just pulled it because it was dull. I mean, it wasn't gonna cut anything thick. But this is still the bottom frame, just getting it lined out. Then we'll get the expanded metal and the wheel mounts put on it. They wanted the large 8-inch wheels on here. The grill isn't that heavy, so it really doesn't need them. But I believe he said he's doing catering or something. He has to roll through random places, so that'll make it easy. This is just the chamber I'm getting tacked up here. I went ahead and got it welded out. Some of the stuff I already had done, like the exhaust and a couple other random things. I think one of the tables, the front table I had done. And it has a smoke collector style exhaust on it. But the thing I was talking about changing is that bottom there. It was the octagon shape, but with it squared off like that, you can get a lot more room in the coal rack. And also it's able to slide out. With the octagon shape on the bottom, you have to make it so narrow that it really wasn't even worth making it slide out like that. And this is the door I'm cutting out, using straight edges with the plasma. That was the tabs and stuff. I always leave little tabs and then cut them out as I'm putting the lip around it. I always run that cutting blade through the whole cut though. After I plasma cut it, I still come back with a cutting blade on the grinder and go all the way through it again. Because if a little piece of steel back there is holding or something after you put that lip on, you're gonna have problems. I mean, probably you'll end up having to take that whole lip back off just to get to that one little piece of steel. So if you do cut it like that, it's really best to go back through with a cutting blade and make sure you got everything. If you don't put the lip on before you pull the door off, then it wouldn't matter as much. But this is that side door, just getting the vent cut in it. And this is the pieces to frame it with. And I'm just finishing up getting everything put on it now. Side door, the front table. This one don't have a side table on it. Went ahead and got a coat of paint on it. When that dries, I'm gonna spray it again. And while that's drying, I went ahead and started the next one. This will be a 40 by 18 reverse flow with the cooktop on it. It's just some random video of getting it done. It's hot in there too. I had to close the doors. That wind will get to blowing through. And if you don't close those doors, you'll be messing up constantly. But here it is. I got it all knocked out. It's a 40 by 20 charcoal grill. I call it charcoal grill, a barbecue grill, with the side door for access to your coal rack and everything. Two racks inside. It's made where the ash pan is on the slides and the coal rack is sitting in the ash pan. That way you can pull it out. Your fire's not dropping down below. He did mention he was catering somewhere, so that'll help if you're in somebody's yard or something like that. Gaskets on the doors, the clamps on the front side. That'll pretty much do it on this one. You can email me. My email will be in the description box, or it should be on the screen if you're looking for a grill or something. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.